Holy smokes. Are you kidding me? I just woke up. Well, I wasn't sleeping, but basically, I was looking at charts, and next thing you know, I see Bitcoin at 4,000. Sheesh. Me personally, I thought this was going to take, maybe a couple of months. Sheesh, these guys are not playing, bro. They want to slam this market down so quick. Shout out to everybody that's watching this. If you're watching this replay, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And also, if you're new to the channel, if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional trader. This is what I do. Okay, full time. I love it. I only look at the charts. Some of you guys that invest in the crypto market, you guys are, new to the space, and you only look at news. And I understand, but some of you guys need to wake up and understand it's not all about the news. This what's going on right now is crazy. We of course we have this global thing going on with the virus and all that stuff, but overall, guys, you have to understand that nothing is 100% guaranteed. Okay? Nothing. So when you guys come to me and tell me that this will happen, it's impossible for Bitcoin to go below 6,000, it's impossible for this or that, you have to understand, guys. You really do. All right? You really have to understand, guys. You do not control the market. All right? Trust me, when I was a new investor, I got caught up in the hype. Okay, so I understand some of you guys got caught up in the hype, and when you're caught up in the hype, your emotions run wild, and you get attached to this stuff, and it's almost like being addictive, right? Addicted to the whole thing, and be addicted to the idea that your investment can go to whatever number, and you can make X amount of money. Okay, so you get addicted to that idea, and all of a sudden you're not thinking right, and no matter what people tell you, you're going to disregard and or ignore professionals and people that's doing this full time. Ignore them, and just sit and hope that your investment will go to the moon. And this is the time to invest in yourself and learn how things work. Okay? Learn how things work. This is crazy right now. Now, we are going to answer some questions, and then we are going to actually, I'm going to look at some charts real quick, and then we are going, just basically today is going to be a Q&A, and, we're going to go from there. But shout out to everybody that's watching this video. Hit the like button real quick. Let me see if you guys can hear me. Mic check, testing, 1, 2, 3. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. If you're watching that replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. Also, that's about it. So, guys, can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go. All right, so I'm gonna go through the whole thing, okay? Because I have to repeat myself over and over because some of you guys just don't understand. All right, so let's go back to the beginning. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. And basically, let me see if I can show you. I'm trying to figure out what chart will give me a decent amount of data. Let's go. Hold on. I think Bitstamp will give me a decent amount of data. All right. Well, basically, it's not giving me all the way to 09, but it's giving me something. All right. So if you just look at Bitcoin and look at the ups and downs, you would notice, right, every single bear market, right, was getting longer and longer and longer. The first one probably lasts less than a year. Second one lasts maybe a year. The third one lasts probably close to 2 years, right? And then you have this one right here. And I told you guys that since the last one lasts almost 3 years, okay? And when I mean last, I'm talking about, create a new high. Most likely this one is going to last probably 5 to 8 years, right? I know some of you guys was like, aha, this guy is stupid. We're going to go up, in 2019. I know a lot of people saying 2019 was the year. Now they're going to say today, actually this year's the year. Of course, they're going to say next year's the year. Every year is going to be the year, right? But overall, if you basically look at the market, every bear market was longer, okay? And the reason why is because you have more people participating in the markets. And when you have more people, the market will play more games with you, and it will basically play with your emotions. Now, let's go to 2017 when we got all this hype. Okay, we was just going straight up, and basically a lot of people was buying. They thought this was going to go up forever. We was hearing crazy numbers like 100K. We was hearing numbers like 250K. We was hearing numbers like 1 million, right? And in my head, I'm shaking because, I was shaking my head because I'm like, I just really can't see it. Okay. Now, when we was going straight up like this, I knew that a pullback was going to, come. When, of course, nobody knows, right? But we decided to pull back right here, right? Real big pullback. Now, we pulled back all the way to 11,000, and then we went up, and we could have created a new high right here, but we didn't. Okay, so this was the first sign right here when we didn't create a new high and we went down. Okay, that was the first sign of, okay, maybe this is different. Okay, and then we started to crash all the way back down to 6,000. I'm like, whoa. Okay, so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll give this a benefit of doubt. Maybe we can shoot right back up. Okay, this looks like maybe possibility of a V bottom. Okay, so yeah. Okay, most likely we're probably going to go right back to the highs because, we all know that CNBC was basically hyping this up. So yeah, possibility we can V bottom, go straight to the highs, all right? But when I saw this right here, we had this trend line right here. This is when I basically was changing my mind about Bitcoin, okay? And not like changing my mind as in like, I'm done with Bitcoin, but changing my mind, in a way where I say, okay, this actually might take longer than I, expected because we find a resistance right here, and most likely, if sellers come in here, okay, most likely we will go back to the bottom and out, and that's when I was telling my subscribers, that's when I'm thinking, okay, this is pretty much a possibility of a bear market, right? Now, I believe somewhere around here, we had Wall Street coming in, talking about, actually Wall Street came in right here, okay? And I really didn't think of nothing of it, when they had the futures, okay? Somewhere around here, I believe we had something, I forgot what it was, I think a meeting. And then we popped up and people were saying, okay, double bottom, all right? And then I was like, no, I don't think this double bottom will, last. Sure enough, we went down. I was basically telling people we are in a bear market. People was cursing me out. People was saying, bro, you don't know what you're talking about. People unsubscribing, blah, 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 whatever. Okay. All right. So we was going down, whatever. So we are creating a triple bottom right here. Remember this triple bottom, guys? Oh, this is triple bottom. This is it, guys. We go all in. I was telling you guys, please do not go all in because, guys, this doesn't look like, okay, a strong bottom that will just reverse. Most likely we will continue to go back down. Okay, look at the highs, these lower highs, very textbook. Okay, this is not some complex, chart to read. This is very textbook, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I'm like, guys, listen, this is a very weak market. Most likely we are going to break. And I was explaining to you guys, we hit the 6,000 mark, like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like close to 9 times, right? The more you hit a level, most likely it's going to break. Boom, we broke, right? Now, after we broke this, I started to think to myself that, okay, you know what? Something about this crypto market is not the same. It's not the same market, okay? And I should have put all the pieces together when the futures came in, okay? The Wall Street futures came in, but I didn't put all the pieces together, okay? I just thought, okay, we're going to have a bear market. It's going to probably last for a long time. But now I said, you know what? I don't like what I'm seeing, okay? I see, regulations coming in. I'm seeing Wall Street coming in. I'm seeing, these talking about ETFs and creating back and all this stuff. And I'm seeing what I signed up for, is gone. I signed up for, right, a decentralized coin or market that will never deal with Wall Street, the government, etc., etc. Okay, that's what I signed up for. Now, most of you guys went all in, so no matter who comes in, you guys are still going to hype this up because you decide to listen to Joe down the street and you went all in, okay? And now, you're stuck. So you're going to believe everything that comes in. So I'm starting to think, I'm like, you know what? I don't like what I'm seeing with this crypto market, okay? It's not decentralized. I thought it was. And now I started to see a lot of other stuff, okay? And I'm like, man. I think these guys are playing us. This is a joke. This whole crypto market is a joke. All right? I don't see 40,000. I don't even see 20,000, right? So we had this big run right here. I told you guys, listen. There's a strong possibility we will find some type of resistance around here. Okay, just go back to my videos. I'm not making this stuff up. Go back to my videos, all right? As soon as we hit resistance right here, boom, right? Sellers came in. Now, I told you guys what I don't like about this whole run-up was, first of all, it was quick, right? And second of all, we never basically went back to test a lot of these breakouts. So let's zoom in a little. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in. So notice how we broke out right here. Okay, I trust me. I want Bitcoin. It would be probably better for Bitcoin to either try. Even it doesn't even have to go like completely back to it, but at least try to go back to it. Notice it's popped up, and we popped up out of here. Okay, and price never even tried to go back to here. Okay, and we kept on going up. Okay, and I told you guys this doesn't look healthy. Okay, healthy, because when you run up fast, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose steam and energy. So I was like, okay, fine. Most likely these guys will. The way they was moving up, most likely they are trying to find a target. Okay, they're going for a target. Usually when the market moves up that quick, they are going for a target. It's a special number they are reaching. They're trying to reach. And I told you guys, I'm looking at this top of this channel right here. I mean, triangle right here. And boom, sure enough, we hit it. Boom, 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 boom. Now look at this, guys. Very textbook. Lower highs. All right? Lower high. Textbook. I told you guys I don't like what I see right here, right? Now I know some of you guys were saying, oh, look at this breakout though. Look. We're going to go to 15, 16,000 right here. I was like, nope, guys, I believe this breakout will fail because of the resistance, right? Resistance over here. This resistance right here will most likely block buyers, and we'll probably go down. And that's sure enough, we went down, right? And I said, okay, guys, I'm targeting this right here. You see this breakout right here? I'm targeting this breakout. Sure enough, okay, we smacked these guys that went long right here. Okay, now when I see things like this, guys, all right, if you zoom out, this doesn't look like anything bullish. Okay, so I remember having a private meeting with my students. I told my students, hey man, it's a strong possibility we will come back to the 3,000. It's a strong possibility we'll come back to the 3,000 mark. Okay? Especially to this breakout. You see this breakout right here? A strong possibility. Okay? A strong possibility we will come back to this breakout. Why? Because when we was going up so fast that it never even pulled back to this breakout. Right? And sure enough, okay, we are very close to this breakout. Now, if it's going back to this breakout, guess what? Why wouldn't it go back to 3,000? Right? It wouldn't make sense just to go back to break out and shoot right back up. So most likely they're gonna probably wipe out this breakout right here, and we might see 2K, guys. All right. But overall, I'm just basically giving you guys the history, how I was looking at this chart, how I was looking at the crypto market, my thought process, my views on the crypto market, how it changed, how I was very hyped in the beginning, and now it basically I shift my thought process and shift my beliefs or the way I felt about crypto. And this is how, I know some of you guys are still moon boys, which is okay. I'm not trying to turn you guys into, non-believers. I'm not trying to do that, guys. If you believe in your coin, fine. I want you to believe in it. Okay, I'm just telling you my, the way I'm looking at this and how I feel about this. And, from there, you can do whatever. Okay. Like some of you guys, you get some moon boys that get so upset about somebody's views. Like, good example. I listened to one YouTuber, and, I agree with pretty much, I would say I agree with 90% of what this guy says, right? But some things I don't agree with him, okay? But just because I don't agree with him, 10% of the disagree with him, just because I disagree with him 10% of the time doesn't mean I'm going to unsubscribe and not deal with him. Like, let me know, who do you agree with 100% of the time? Nobody. So most of you guys need to chill out, okay? Just because you don't agree with me doesn't mean you have the right to call me names or do some craziness, okay? Relax. I'm just giving you my professional view and how I view the market. And guys, and I'm not saying this because I don't care, I care less, okay? But I've been on point since day one, since 2017. I've been on point, okay? When everybody was going right, I was going left. I got the receipts, check the videos. When everybody was screaming bullish, we're going to bounce, I was screaming bearish. When we popped up right here, everybody was screaming a bull market. I said, guys, we're not in the bull market. What are you talking about? We still in the bear market. Go check my videos. All right, so let's go to some questions and we will go from there. I just want to basically help you guys wake up and help you guys understand that buy and hold, okay, is not the holy grail. Most of you guys are not buy and hold investors. You're not. So let's go. What's going on, Miss D? Good to see you here. XRP millionaires will be made. I hear that. BTC is done for. What's going on, Philip? Big Ben called it again. Let me see. My made the second live stream of the day. Yeah. When the last time you see me or saw me go live twice in a row? Bitcoin and XRP. Yeah. Let's look at some more cryptos. Okay. Let's look at Ethereum, because another thing, guys, I want to tell you guys another thing. Okay. Another thing I was talking about, and just like I said, go back to my videos. Another thing I was talking about, guys, was forget about Bitcoin. I want you to not be attached to Bitcoin. I want you to look at the altcoins, because the altcoins tell you the real picture. Guys, listen, I never ever heard anybody, okay, talk about this on YouTube, period. Okay? I've been talking about this since 2018. Go check my videos. I've been telling you guys, altcoins are the leading indicators. Since 2018, nobody says this, guys, on YouTube. So we saw that altcoins are lagging, period. While Bitcoin looked somewhat bullish, altcoins was dying. So if you look at Ethereum, we're pretty much close to these lows. So if Ethereum wipe out these lows, guess what? Most likely Bitcoin will follow. Remember, altcoins leading indicator, Bitcoin follows. So if Ethereum wipe down this low, guess what? It's a strong possibility Bitcoin will wipe out the 3K low. Okay, let's look at XRP, because I know some of you guys want to look at XRP. XRP, we talked about this a long time ago, guys. I see XRP in single digits, right? Most of you guys probably thought that wasn't never possible. Guys, just go back to my videos. XRP single digits. Now, it is what it is. Let's go to some questions. Hit the like buttons, guys. Hit the like buttons. Hit the like buttons. Bitcoin, XRP are future internet money I will hold long term. Ross, let me know if you're trolling or not. If you really believe Bitcoin and XRP is the future, let me know. I like the price on everything. Realize what everybody's doing. Opposite. Shout out to you, Chris. What's going on? Where's the next level to watch and break of the? You said where's the next level to watch? Basically, the next level to watch on BTC is the breakout. Okay, so basically, BTC has the possibility to do a little bounce from at this breakout right here. So I would say probably around that 43 level, 42 level. But I mean, like I said, if it's going that low, it's a strong possibility it was going to break that 3K. Ben, do you think 3K is next? Yes, I think 3K is next. It doesn't have to happen, in one shot. Okay, so yes, we might even get a bounce. It might fool you. Okay, so it's just what it is, guys. We can't go down in a straight line. So we might go down maybe a little bit more and bounce. It might be a strong bounce too. Okay. Then if it bounces and it's a strong bounce, the next area would be right here, okay, for resistance. Somewhere around here, okay, even here, 7,000, just to go right back down, okay. So guys, you have to learn your lesson. You can't, every time Bitcoin pops up, you can't get excited, please, okay, because I know some of your moon boys gonna, if when Bitcoin decides to bounce, some of your moon boys are going to get, hyped again. I mean, I'm tired of dealing with you guys. How do you feel about the unlimited printing of US dollars? Why do you believe people shouldn't hold Bitcoin or other cryptos? Ross, let me see if Ross is still in the building. Ross, are you trolling? Ross, let me know if you're trolling or not, because if you're not trolling, then we can talk about it. Mr. McAfee, I agree. Bit idiots. Thanks for the streams. Yeah, no problem, bro. Hit the like buttons, guys. Hit the like buttons. You said it's a forming a W on a monthly chart. Check that. I'm not checking no W on a monthly chart, man. I don't see no W. Made Aces said he made 210 short in BTC this evening. One lot, $86 short in XRP, 5 lots. Whew. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Aces. Shout out to you, bro. Okay, so Ross said he's not trolling. Okay. So basically Ross asked me, hey, Bitcoin, let me see. He said, how do I feel about, hold on, let me go back to his question. I'm trying to figure out his question. Let me see. He said, how do I feel about unlimited printing of US dollars and other currencies? Why do you believe people should not hold Bitcoin and other cryptos? Okay. All right. So let me ask you a question. Do you believe Bitcoin is decentralized? Okay. Gold is king. I can't hate in gold anymore. Nah, I wouldn't say gold is king. I would say knowledge. Okay, the right knowledge is king. Okay, the right knowledge is king. Oh, I love. You said TBH. I believe that BTC is decentralized. Well, it's not. It's not decentralized. Okay, so let me just help you on that. It's not decentralized. Number one, when we went in bed with the Wall Street guys, all that decentralized went out the window. Okay, so let me correct you on that. Number two, okay, you said that you said how do I feel about unlimited printing? I don't feel anything about unlimited printing in other currencies. Basically, that been going on for a long time. Okay, your problem is not to worry about that. Your problem is to generate enough money. Okay, so you can start acquiring assets and having enough money. Okay, so you don't have to worry about being a slave at your 9 to 5. Okay, now you saying why do you believe people should not hold Bitcoin and other cryptos? I never said people should not hold Bitcoin or other cryptos. I never said that. What I'm saying is, okay, number one, what I'm saying is most of you guys do not even understand long-term investing. Okay, I don't believe most people that are holding cryptos are. I don't believe you guys are fully aware what a long-term holder is. Okay, now you guys, in my opinion, want to make money pretty much by next year. Okay. And when things are going down like this, most of you guys panic. And that's why I know for a fact you guys are not long-term investors, because you are panicking, okay, when things are dropping. So what I'm trying to do is help you understand, okay, maybe you are not a long-term investor. Maybe you should look into other ways, okay? You guys can make money now by learning skills and learning techniques that will help you, extract money from the markets. But most of you guys are lazy and you believe everything that the news are telling, and everything news is telling you, okay, and you think that crypto is some holy grail that's going to go to $1 million. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, nothing in this world is 100% guaranteed, and some of you guys believe crypto is 100% guaranteed. You're buying Bitcoin and XRP because it's deflationary. Listen, you learned that from some website that you saw, or you probably read that from some website, or somebody told you. That stuff doesn't even make any sense. Okay, if things go to zero, why do you care if it's deflationary? It's at zero. Okay, there's no value. Whoever times the bottom on crypto and stocks is set for life. Well, the whole thing about timing the bottom is, that's for people that are lazy and they want that home run. They are looking for home runs, okay? And those are guys that will never last because they will never time the bottom. Timing the bottom, is not even a strategy. So the best thing to do is try to have a strategy, guys, that will give you consistent income. What's going on, Jay Biz? Yeah, Bitcoin got smoked, bro. Bitcoin got smoked. What else got smoked? Everything got smoked. Actually, let's zoom in a little bit. While we was talking, we basically was going down even more. So we hit 4,400. So definitely, we probably go lower, during this live stream. I'm reading some questions right now, so I'm just trying to see what you guys are talking about. Yeah, I mean, basically, I remember, some of you guys were saying you're buying at 6,000. I told you guys, listen, man, 6,000 for me is not a safe place, in my opinion. I just don't buy, just because it's at 6,000. The US dollar is a joke. Yeah, it is a joke, okay? But you have to understand, it, even though it's a joke, you still have to use it to pay your bills, right? So basically, I can say Bitcoin is a joke, crypto is a joke, okay? I can say that's a joke too. So, honestly, that's not the answer. The answer is not saying, the answer is not, crypto is a joke or the US dollar is a joke. The answer is, guys, how can you make money consistently? Day after day, week after week, month after month. That's what it boils down to. And this is my core message, okay, to you guys. Right? You have to learn how to create skills that will pay you that money, so you can get out this matrix. Most of you guys are not hearing me. All you guys are talking about XRP is the future, Bitcoin. Bro, don't you understand that doesn't even make any sense, what you're saying? What is the bottom, Ben? I don't know. I mean, nobody knows the bottom. I'm just giving you strong possibilities, okay? A strong possibility is this breakout right here will get wiped out. That's a strong possibility, okay? After that, what's the bottom? I don't know, okay? It might not even never be a bottom, okay? You have to understand. Just because we bounce doesn't mean it's the bottom. Let's go. Let's keep on going. March, we will set. So basically, you're saying March will reset, and basically you're saying that crypto will rise again. You know how many times I heard that, bro? I've been hearing that since 2018. So that doesn't fly over here. Okay, you have to come back. You have to come better than that, bro. Over here, okay, on my channel, on my live stream, that doesn't fly, bro. People will laugh at you. People will laugh at you. Okay, this is not a moon boy channel. This is straight hardcore, tough love, giving you professional views. You said Tom Hanks. What happened to Tom Hanks? You said freedom has no price, though. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. Freedom has no price. I'm not too sure why you're saying that. Somebody said, Chris W said anti-Bitcoin club. Nah. Who said that? Who says anti-Bitcoin club? Chris W said, thank you for the stream. No problem, man. It's forming. We saw that already. What's going on, Randy? Ben was definitely on point with every move since 2017. That's facts, 100%. Thanks, Randy. Shout out to you, Randy. Should I sell all my crypto? Nows, if you're asking me, should you sell all your crypto? Number one, that's not a simple, question or answer, because number one, I don't know where you bought. Number two, I don't know how much you invested. Like, I don't know if you went all in. I don't know. Like, it's so many things I don't know. Okay, and plus I can't give you financial advice, so I don't know your situation. Okay. All I can tell you is you have to learn how to read the charts. I don't know, if you bought at the top. I don't know. I don't know if you bought. I don't know exactly, where you're at right now. Bobby said you've been calling this for a couple of years, man. Yeah, man. I mean, since 2018, I've been telling you guys, bear market, bear market, bear market. What stops hundreds of altcoins appearing? I don't know what you mean by that. What's to stop hundreds of altcoins appearing? What's going on, Robert? You call it, Ben. Shout out to you, Robert. The hate. He said it just went down a straight line. Nah, I mean, yeah, it looks like a straight line, but eventually it will bounce. Eventually it will bounce. I'm reading these questions, guys, so just give me a second. The rally is coming before the halving. All right, so if you know a lot, bro, if you know all this stuff, how come you're not, like, in front of CNBC? If you know everything, how come you don't, these guys are not interviewing you in CNBC? Let me see. You said what stops altcoins appearing? That's a serious question. I don't know what you mean by that, appearing. I don't get what you're saying. What you're trying to say. You said also, I don't think you fully understand the concept of decentralized. So explain it to me, Ross. Ross, are you still in the building? Explain to me, okay, the full understanding of decentralized. Okay, let me know. Explain it to me. I'm new to Bitcoin with you said with 2K in loss, almost 1K. Should I sell? So if you're new to Bitcoin, the best thing you do is basically you have to understand how to read. Okay, you see this chart right here. You have to understand how to read. Okay, so if you bought Bitcoin And I'm quite sure you probably looked at one of Sonny Decree's videos. He told you to buy, which is like absolutely, like, somebody should call that dude out, because you honestly you can't really put buy now on a title, okay? And you have that much subscribers. But anyway, if you're losing that much, you have to figure out, okay, is this something that you want to hold long term, or is it money that you can basically lose? Those are the questions you have to ask yourself. Because I can't tell you, should you sell, or I can't tell you, to sell or not, because I don't really know your full situation, and I can't give you financial advice. But you guys have to understand, if you can't lose that money, there's no reason for you guys to invest. And I get it. I know some of you guys want to, make more money. I get it. So sometimes you do take that gamble, okay, and you do gamble some money where, to the point where you can't afford to lose that money, but you still gamble. I get it. But that's where, education comes in. You have to invest in yourself, educate yourself, and then you have to take calculated risk, so you can, limit all that guessing. Cody says a good time to buy. You put laughed out loud at the end, so I'm guessing that you're joking. Corona bro, him and wifey. What are you talking about? Yeah, I know Tom Hanks got corona, but you're saying R.I.P. I mean, am I missing something? Guys, listen. This is what I have to go through when I do live streams like this. I have to go through. I told guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is my live stream still good? Okay. Because it said that it was offline, but I don't think it's offline. But basically, I was I'm dealing with these moon boys like Ross, right? And I'm asking him a simple question: why do you feel, or explain to me why Bitcoin is decentralized? You know what? You know what he said? Okay, Ben, you need to do quality research. That's why I'm asking you to explain to me. Okay, simple. Explain to me. Don't tell me I need to do quality research. I said, okay, explain to me, why do you feel Bitcoin is decentralized? And he still didn't, he never explained anything. He's in his feelings, guys. In his feelings. Okay? This is what I have to deal with all the time. Since 2018, guys, I had, when I was telling the guys this is a bear market, right? And basically most people was calling me out and talking about, oh bro, you don't know what you're talking about. Blah, blah, blah. This is crypto. This is different. Right? And that's it. Ross is still I'm still waiting for his answer. Explain to me why Bitcoin is decentralized. Still waiting. The reason why it sounds foreign to you and you can't handle the pressure is because I'm the only dude on YouTube that's talking about this stuff. You can't type this in. Nobody's talking about this, right? And my thing is, I'm not even bashing cryptos, right? I'm not even bashing cryptos. I tell you guys, you can still make money with cryptos. Me personally, I don't believe in it long term. But, you know, you can still make money with it. What's going on, Jesus? You said, boy, I'm happy. Why? Tell us why you're happy, bro. You said, I'm watching this live stream. I get a notification of YouTube why Bitcoin will hit 100K by 20. Those feel good. A moon boy said Bitcoin will hit 100K. Every year is 100K, bro. Every year. 2021, 2022. Right? Every year is going to be 100K. You said you've been cashing out every paycheck. Okay. Shout out to you, bro. He said Bitcoin blockchain is distributed, meaning that it's public. Anyone can download it. Okay. This means that the record is public. No, that's not it, bro. So basically, let me explain something to you, okay? Just because it's public, that doesn't mean anything. Okay? Let me hold on, guys. Hold on. What I need to do is I need to pull up. The white paper. Okay. I need to pull up Bitcoin white paper. Okay. That's what I need to pull up. But just give me a second, guys. So basically, you said it's surprising. I don't know. I know exactly what you're talking about. Okay. So basically, you're saying that the blockchain, right, prevents double spending, right? Basically, that is your definition or the reason why you claim that it's decentralized, because it prevents double spending, right? My question to you, okay, and I want you to not ignore my questions, okay? My question to you is: Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, okay? Let me explain to you. Let me ask you this: was it designed for, okay, some type of third party to interfere with it? Okay? Answer that question. Answer this question. So you telling me, okay, the creator of Bitcoin designed Bitcoin. So tell me why are you designing a system, okay, that will deal with or will be regulated by another party? Listen to what I'm saying, Ross. Explain to me, okay? Because you have to understand, okay, the process. You have to understand the process, right? Bitcoin was created because of the financial crisis, right? We wanted a system, we wanted something to not rely. We wanted like some type of cash, okay? So we don't have to rely on a government or some type of third party, right or wrong. So you have to understand what I'm saying, okay? If we are in bed with the parties that we are trying to avoid, how can this be decentralized? Okay, now it's more corrupted. And you're saying that it's decentralized, but it's actually controlled, because I'm telling you right now, it's controlled by few individuals, right? And you think it's decentralized because you read some paper or you heard it on the news or your favorite YouTuber told you that, okay? Okay? But you have no say-so. You don't have no say-so, bro. You said it's for everyone, but you don't have no say-so. What are you talking about? Okay, you're saying it's for everyone. So okay, if it's for everyone, let me explain. Let me ask him this very, let me ask you this question. If Bitcoin is for everyone and is not controlled, right? Okay, so that means that you're telling me that everybody, right, can buy Bitcoin right now and move up the price. Bro, we've been doing this for a long time. Everybody been buying, okay? So if it's for everyone, how come the price is not mooning up right now, right? If it's not controlled, tell me why the price is not mooning up. Tell me why Bitcoin is not at 40K, 100K right now. If it's for everybody and it's not controlled. If it's not controlled, why the price is going down? Why are we heading to 3K right now? Okay, your problem is you're reading, okay, you're reading, but you don't really understand reality. Okay? You have to understand what Bitcoin was made for. Okay? This is what you don't understand. You're saying that Bitcoin is decentralized, okay? But you have to understand, why did the creator created Bitcoin in the first place? Okay? He wanted to get away from the parties, right? Those parties. Those guys. Okay? It's a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Okay? Now, number two, the way people are using Bitcoin now, okay, people are not using it as a cash system. Go read the white paper. It's a cash system. We're supposed to be using it on a daily basis. We are not using it. We're buying and holding it. Okay? That is your problem, bro. You have no understand. You don't understand nothing. Okay? You have to understand things have value when you use it. If you're not using it, how can it create value? How can it run right properly? It can't. Because you're going against what the guy was trying to do in the first place. This is what you don't understand, bro, Ross. Ross, you don't understand the game. Ross, forget about, Ross, I'm not going to go back and forth with you because I know this is never going to be it's going to be a never ending story, because all I got to say is, okay, You bought Bitcoin, most likely and I hate to say this, most likely your portfolio is down, which is okay. Okay. But what your problem is, you don't like to deal with reality. Okay. So you like to say things that don't matter. My question to you is, how come Bitcoin, right, the safe haven, is dropping through this crisis? I thought this was supposed to be the next, gold, and everybody, if the stock market drops, everybody gonna put money in the crypto market. Okay, your question, you have to, your questions, all right, or your problems are much bigger than me and you going back and forth about decentralized. Okay, you have a bigger problem than me, because I don't have to deal with XRP or Litecoin or Ethereum. Okay, that's down 90% from the highs. I don't have to deal with that. You have to deal with that. You have to explain to me why we are going through this mess. So at the end of the day, that's something you have to deal with. So I can end it with that with you. Let's go to some more questions, guys. If you have more questions, let's continue. I'm going to some questions here. Do you have a prediction on May 20? No, I don't have. Listen. Let me explain something to you guys. All right. I know some of you guys, some of you new guys, love to hear predictions and hear months and bro, let me explain something. Investing and trading has nothing to do with predictions. The reason why people got away with it in 2017 is because everything was going up. Okay. I don't predict anything. Okay. What I do, I look at the charts and I tell you guys what I'm seeing right now. Okay. As we speak. Okay. I've been doing that since 2017. Okay. So when I see something, I say, guys, I don't like what I see. I'm seeing resistance. There's a strong possibility we might crack down to the lows or whatever the case is. That's how I do things. I don't say by March 2020 we are going to 40K. I don't do that, because that doesn't exist. You know? When did I change the name to the channel? Probably 2 months ago, a month ago. Because BTC has a major floor, it's going to zero. It's been moving up since 2011 nicely. If you base Bitcoin off the initial launch in 2018, we're certainly not in the bear market. Crypto Cody, let me explain something to you. If you understand markets, then you know that statement is just, and I'm not trying to diss you or anything like that. I'm just saying that is, we don't look at bear markets like that. So basically, you'll never go back. So basically, let me give you a good example. Okay, you never go like the stock market, right? Let me go to S&P 500. Actually, let's go to the Dow. Okay, let's see if I go to the Dow. All right. I don't go all the way back to 1930, right? I don't say, let's go to 1930, guys. I don't go back to all the way to 1930 and say, oh, well, based on, since, we've been going all the way up since 1930, so we have this little drop right here, so that according to that, we're not in the bear market. No, you don't. It doesn't work like that. Okay, you always go by the year. Okay, what year you're in. So let's go some more questions. I bought Bitcoin at 239 and at 1200. Okay, so you know, you want a cookie? Let me see. I want Big Ben trading back. What's going on, bro? The VIX is doing well, up to 100. Yeah, man, the VIX is killing it, guys. The VIX is nuts. Hold on. The VIX is at it went up to 76. Nuts. You know, I mean, the market is just nuts right now, guys. I mean, last time we saw 75 was what? Back in 08. 08, let me see. The high on 08 was 90. So this is like we're probably going to go right back to the highs. That's crazy, my G. All right, let's go back to some more questions. Also, Ross, Ross think I'm mean. Oh my gosh, you're mean, Ben. You're mean. Oh my gosh, you need to learn how to talk to people. I'm a moon boy, so moon boys, we have feelings too, and you know when you talk to us, you can't talk about reality. You have to, lie to us. Okay, so please, Ben, please don't hurt my feelings. Please, lie to me. I want you to lie to me because, it's just better. It's just better. Man, get out of here, bro. There's no lies over here, bro. I'll give you the hardcore truth. All right? If you can't handle it, bro, this is not the stream for you. This is not for you, bro. He's hurting my feelings. Nah, bro. I'll tough you up over here, bro. Okay, you get tough over here. Let me look at some more questions before I get out of here. Did you go over UCI Tech Index already? Nah, I ain't go over that yet. 4-hour chart. What's going on, Porsche? What's going on, Scotty, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, Scotty. But overall, guys, I'm about to get out of here soon. Basically, what we're seeing here is a market that's reacting to what's going on globally, like basically with all that virus stuff, and Bitcoin crypto was supposed to be some type of safe haven, but now we are seeing the truth and it's cracking. But also, guys, it's funny because I've been telling you guys about this long time ago before we had this crack. Okay, the news basically, sped or it made everything faster. Right, so I didn't think we was going to go this low this quick. I thought they was going to chop around because you know how Bitcoin does. It chops around, and I thought we was going to maybe another month or two. We probably go back to 5,000, whatever. But nope, boom. We were back to 4,000. So it's a strong possibility. Okay, a couple of things could happen. So my next thing is I'm looking at right now is you see this breakout right here. Most likely we're going to bounce, maybe. Okay, maybe bounce from this area. It might be a light bounce, so be careful. I know some of you guys are gonna probably go all in. I remember one guy. Okay, I really don't want to call his name out. Okay, because but another moon boy YouTuber. Okay, said Okay, he said that if Bitcoin goes to 4,000, he's going to mortgage everything. He's going all in, and I want to hear. Okay, I want him to say he's going all in again, because I guarantee you he's not going all in, because it's so easy to say you're going all in, but when that 4.5 or that 4K level hits, you're gonna be scared. Like, oh, I ain't going all in. I guarantee you he's not going all in. He just said that so he could keep his subscribers happy. All right. But overall, guys, a couple of things can happen. If things get ugly, we can just go straight to this 3K level. Okay, just straight down, which is crazy. If that happens, whoa. I mean, this is nuts. All right. All right. But, it is what it is. Life is life, right? Let's go back to some more questions, and we're going to get out of here. Check out oil. Yeah, I check out oil, man. I check out oil real quick. How would the market be impacted when the Fed injects some money? Honestly, if the Fed injects money, a couple of things gonna happen, man. We're probably gonna see a quick bounce, but I don't believe that Fed injection is going to hold up the markets. All right, I think it's going to probably be a temporary bounce, and the wheels going to fall right back down. Okay. You have to understand, guys, it can't go up forever. So you can't just keep on injecting money. Trust me, it's going to crash. If it's not this year's, next year's, if not next year's, so on and so on. But eventually it has to, guys. You have to let nature, work and let's go back to some more questions, guys. So someone wants to look at oil. Let's see what's going on with oil. Okay, so oil basically is very interesting because we are at these lows right here. I think it's trying to wipe out these lows. I don't know if it's going to do it in this one. I don't know if it's going to do it in one shot, but I can probably, it looks like it's a strong possibility they're going to wipe out this bar and go lower. Okay. Now, if it does break this low right here, how far can we go? I'm thinking teens. I'm thinking it's a strong possibility we can probably hit the teens. Maybe 19, maybe 18. We'll see. We'll see. Ross is funny, bro. Ross is not making any money. Okay, you know why? All guys, I learned this long time ago, and I learned this actually when I started to make money, like real money, guys. I learned that I don't have time for a lot of stuff I was doing before, right? So a lot of stuff I was doing before, like the little stupid stuff I was doing, I don't have time for it. So I know that's why I know Ross is not making any money. Because let me give you a good example. You think Mark Cuban will come on my live stream right now and say, "Hey man, hate on me"? No. One thing you would know about successful people, they would never they try not to hate on. They would disagree with another successful person, but they don't really hate on other successful people, right? It's always the broke people, right? The broke guys that's always hating, and that's a fact, guys. When I first was getting money, I ain't had time to be hating, bro. Like, why? It doesn't make any sense. I realized, bro, like, whoa, I'm getting this money, right? And I'm like, yo, it's time to experience life. It's time to, enjoy this. I don't have time for negative energy. Like anything negative needs to get out my way. So, shout out to you, Ross. I wish you the best. And it's funny because I used to get these trolls like around, when the bear market started to happen before in 2018. I was getting a lot of trolls like Ross. And it's funny because I haven't really haven't like gone back and forth with somebody in a long time. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Like Ross really thinks he's getting me upset or whatever. Like I'm laughing at Ross because I know he's in some type of basement right now, wilding out. Like, bro, chill out, bro. Like, eat your Cheetos or drink your soda, right? All right, go on your internet and relax. Guys, let me explain something to you guys, all right? There's no, all right, benefit. Like, guys, you have to understand the way I live my life now, okay? I have to say, okay, how can this benefit me, right? Everything I do, how can this benefit me, right? So the question is, how can hating, right? If you hate on somebody, how can that benefit you? It can't. It's impossible. But guys, listen, I'm about to get out of here, and I'm about to get out of here. But listen, if you have any last questions before I get out of here, guys, please type it in. I have 13 years of experience, going on 13 years of experience. I trade full time from home. I love what I do. So if you have any questions before I get out of here, we was talking about the crude oil. We was talking about Bitcoin. We was talking about a lot of stuff. Ask your questions now before I get out of here. I'm trying to see if I miss any questions here. I'm reading some questions now, guys. Give me a second. You guys is funny. I'm reading these questions. Reading these comments. You guys is funny, bro. You guys is funny. All right, so let's look at this for JBiz. All right, so basically, yeah, this had a big drop. Basically, if you look at this whole situation, if we zoom in a little bit, you see that parabolic move right here. So you see how we was going up, and next thing you know, boom, this parabolic move looked like a straight line. So yeah, no wonder we did drop down. So you got to be careful with this. This is a situation you have to be careful with. I don't like these patterns right here. Yeah, eventually we will bounce, but you just got to, take it day by day. Take it day by day. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to help you guys realize. You have to understand these patterns. History has repeated itself twice in a row now 1 year. So basically, you're saying that since history repeated itself twice in a row, that Bitcoin has to move up. Whoa, man. Come on, guys. Y'all can do better than that. All right? Come on, guys. You can do better than that. Just because something happened 2 times, right? Automatically, it has to go and blast up just because It did it twice. Come on, guys. You got to, bro, do better than that. Okay? Bitcoin right now is at 4,200. Oh, my gosh. You have to do better than that, guys. If you want to survive, right? Survive. You know, every year, guys, it's the same thing, guys. 2018. Oh, well, in 2019, we're going to be better. 2019 comes. Well, in 2020, we're going to do better. 2020 comes. Well, in 2021, we're going to do better. 2021 comes. Well, in 2022, we're going to do better. Come on, bro. Like, what is this? Is this real? Is this a joke? That is your strategy? That's your strategy? Man, son, no wonder these dudes are taking money from you. Like, come on, guys. Let's do better. Okay? Yes, I joke around here and there. Okay? Some of you guys is, sensitive. Oh, my gosh. You can't be doing that. You can't talk like that. Guys, I joke. I mean, you can't be serious all the time. Like, okay? But overall, guys, all jokes aside, you really have to do better. If your strategy is based on that, and based on hope, and based on decentralized, and based on all this nonsense, you got to do better. You know why I love the charts? Because it doesn't lie to me. All right? You have to focus on what's going on right now. Forget about what happened 2 years ago. What's going on right now? Can you tell me what's going on right now? I can tell you. You want me to tell you? Okay, let's talk. Okay, Bitcoin is crashing, and we are at 4,200. You want me to keep going? Bitcoin is crashing, and we going down. Looks like we're going down to 4,100. Okay. Hey, look. Looks like it's about to hit 4,100. Right? That's what's going on now, bro. I don't know. Okay. No one knows what's going to happen in 2021. Right? So stop it, bro. Let's see reality. Let's look at what's going on right now. All right, so let's go back to some questions. I get people all the time telling me Bitcoin is going to hit these numbers at a certain month. Like, bro, like, you know how many times I hear that? Like, come on, guys, we have to do better than this, man. For real, we have to do better than this. You guys are repeating the same behavior every single year. Like, how can you get better, guys? Like, how? I'm serious right now, guys. How can you really get better if you're repeating the same thing over and over every year? What's going on, FX Dub? What's going on, bro? You guys is funny, bro. You guys is funny. Yo, Leslie Savage, man, you still in the building? Did you Leslie Savage, did you hit me up today and you said that you can't get in the Discord? Let me know. You said enough about Ross, how low we headed. Well, this is it right here, bro. We hit the 41. We hit 41, bro. Okay. This could get ugly because, the way I'm looking at this is, right, this right here, this breakout right here was at 42 or 43, right? And I said, guys, most likely we're probably going to get some type of bounce right here. Right now, as we speak, I don't see any bounce, okay? So this could be ugly because if there's no buyers right here to buy at this breakout, man, we're going to slice through this you're going to slice through 3K like it's nothing. I do, when you get this low, especially, at breakouts right here, you probably get some type of bounce. I don't see anything. So we will see tomorrow. We will see if we will bounce tomorrow. But right now, it's just like the selling pressure is real to the point where it looks like these guys want to slice through this stuff, right? So definitely gonna keep you guys updated, man. It's very interesting right now. What platform do I lose the short? Just email me, bro. I appreciate the lives. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, bro. Okay, guys, right now, most of you guys don't understand. I love when the market crash. Okay? Guys like Ross, he hates it, right? And the reason why he hates it is because he's so stuck in his bubble. All he wants to believe is about decentralize this and decentralize that. And he's not realizing decentralized is not making him money. He's going to wake up one day, okay, and he'll realize, shoot, my investment is at break even. Ross, do you really think I care about a dislike? Ross, do you really answer me this question? Do you really think I care about a dislike? Do you really think I make some type of money from YouTube? Like, YouTube don't pay me, bro. What are you talking about? Dislike? I'm a dislike. Okay, and next. Like, bro, do you really think I care about dislikes? Bro, my channel been ever since I changed my view on Bitcoin in 2018 and I was going live, my channel hasn't really been growing that much anyway, so I don't care. All right? I'm not, you have to understand, bro, I'm not one of those guys that, is trying to do this for likes. This channel is not growing anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let me see. You said you're buying 42 to 38. I will buy. Carlos, let us know why you're buying at 42 or 35. I mean, and let us know if you're buying short term or holding. Ross said, "Why are you so mad, dude?" Bro, do I sound mad? Sheesh. You don't even know mad. If I was mad, Ross, I would have been kicked you out. All right? You have been out of here, bro. That's mad. I'm having fun with you, bro. You don't want us keep on coming back. Like, nobody's talking about Ross, right? Nobody's talking about Ross, and he's coming right back, bro. Anyway, let's go back. Do you have only certain people in your Discord? Yeah, right now I only have the Discord is private, only for my students. Leslie Savage, are you still in the building? Okay, that was you, Leslie Savage. Okay, that was you. Okay, because I wasn't sure if that was you. All right. Ben, buy some long term. I would be dope to see. You said buy what long term? Yeah, it's some companies right now. I'm not dealing with long term, and like I said, I'm gonna make a video about that soon. Why I don't do long term, whatever. But I'm not doing any long term right now, bro. I'll let Ross do the long term. I'll let Ross invest all his savings in Bitcoin and XRP. Hadouken. So guys, that's it, guys. Because Ross is I see Ross is not gonna give up, so he's gonna keep coming back. But overall, I don't see no more questions. You said Yeah, it definitely got clapped, bro. J Biz. J Biz, do you follow what's that guy name? Man, I forgot the name. But I know he says that a lot. He said that's a lot. He's a guy that do options. He always said things get clapped. I usually watch him during the day. Let me see here. What happened to the old channel, Ben? This is the channel right here. This is the channel. I just changed the name. Do you trade live on the Discord? You said, do I trade live on the Discord? The Discord is for my students, and I'm here. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, Josh. Yep, Josh. Josh is he's a good guy, bro. He sounds like you know what he's talking about. My Discord is about training people. So basically, what I do is just answer questions. We post charts during the during the sessions, and I do have videos of me trading live in front of my students. I haven't traded live, in front of my students for I would say a couple of months now, but sometimes I do trade live in front of these guys. But overall, I'm in the chat room answering questions, posting charts, and helping guys out. Yeah, man. Yeah, Josh is a funny dude. He's a comedian, bro. He's a funny dude, bro. He's a comedian. Yo, guys, hit those likes. Bitcoin just dropped again. Live stream. Let me see. Sheesh. Yeah, Bitcoin's dropping, bro. It's done. Let's see what XRP is doing. All right. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, guys. XRP is about to hit single digits probably by tomorrow. We hit 11 cents, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys. I've been talking about this for how long? Okay. I remember people was laughing at me. Bro, what you talking about? You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about XRP. You stupid, bro. Stick to your day trading. Stick to your futures. All right, fine. I stick to it. Don't say I warned you. I didn't warn you. Let me see here, guys. Let's go to some more questions. When the last time I did an hour and a half live stream, guys? This is funny. But I'm about to get out of here though, real quick. Yeah, Josh is on fire, bro. So shout out to Josh, man. I don't know the dude, but he's definitely on fire. Let me see here. BTC is a done deal for now. Yeah, it's definitely done deal for now. These dummies are getting clapped up by liquidation. Facts. Ross is the only dislike. Oh man, that's funny. You said I like this. This was a long time coming. Yeah, man. Facts. We have no idea where the bottom is going to be, and no market is. You said we have no idea where the bottom is going to be. Yeah, and no, all the markets are taking, guys. Yeah, all the markets are tanking. So everything is tanking, man. Let's look at let's look at the Dow. Okay, the Dow. We didn't even look at gold. Let's look at gold real quick. But man, this is my problem right now, man. It's not a problem, but I trade the futures, and it seems like, bro, these halts are annoying, bro. Like every time I wake up, the market is getting halted. I'm like, yo, what's going on, bro? But it is what it is. Most likely, if they decide to close down the stock market, I'm gonna probably have to trade crude oil. But gold right now is crashing too. So basically, we talked about gold. We said that gold was going to most likely pull back because we had some type of double top at 1700. That's a nice number, and most likely we are going to continue to go down. Okay, I talked about this yesterday and day before yesterday, and most likely we're going to break this trend line and probably go all the way back here, and maybe we even go all the way back to the 1400s. Now, since if it does go all the way back to the 1400, that doesn't mean that that's it for gold. It just means that we have to see what gold does when it hits 1400. Okay, but gold had a nice run, and this is why me personally, I don't do long-term investing. I just don't have time for it, bro. Like, I mean, I'm gonna make a video one of these days. I'm gonna make a video, okay, and explain to why I don't do long-term investing, or why some of you guys probably are not long-term investors. But overall, I don't, I just don't have the time for it, bro. Like, I put enough skills, or I learned enough, bro. Like, I've been learning to charge for a long time, and I know how to make money daily and weekly. Okay, so I just, but like I said, we will talk about that another day. Overall, shout out to everybody that's, doing your thing long term. All right, so Bitcoin is going down. Titanic, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin most likely is probably going to hit 3K. Bitcoin most likely is going to hit that 3K. If it hits that 3K, then from there, we don't know what Bitcoin is going to do. It could slice down to 2K. Right now, it's dropping more, guys. It's dropping more as we speak. Sheesh! It actually hit 4,000. Oh my gosh, it hit 4,000. We was at 41. As at 4,000, guys. This thing might slice. It might slice straight through. Okay, we might just slice straight through this level right here, guys. If this thing keeps dropping like this, oh man, it's gonna be very interesting. I want to see when I wake up, God's willing, tomorrow. I want to see, guys. All right. If it sliced right through this thing, this is, guys. If Bitcoin's at 3K by tomorrow, oh my gosh, we gotta do another live stream, right? We gotta talk to Ross. And we gotta see what Ross thinks. Hey Ross, what do you think about this? Let me look at these other cryptos, because honestly, guys, this is nuts. Let me look at some other cryptos real quick, because I didn't even look at Litecoin yet. Litecoin, sheesh. Litecoin's at $25. It's about to hit that $18 range, $20 range. Ethereum, it's at sheesh 92. Sheesh, guys, this is nuts. I mean, these guys are not even bouncing. Tough. Bitcoin Cash is not even moving right now, according to this chart. We looked at XRP. Did it hit single digits yet? It looks like it's about to, guys. Guys, when we wake up tomorrow, XRP might be single digits. It might be in that 9-cent level. Tough. Dash. RIP, guys. Dash is at 35. Sheesh. All right, so it is what it is. I'm out of here. I might do a live stream tomorrow, guys. But it is what it is. Shout out to everybody who's here. All jokes aside, guys, you have to invest in yourself, and you have to, just educate yourself and learn the markets. That's it. That's all I'm asking you guys. Okay. I don't care if you go to the library and look up, books. Just invest in yourself. Just understand the markets. BSV, I would do that for you, Jesus, because you are a loyal subscriber. So I will definitely do that for you before we leave. So let's look at BSV. Whoa, sheesh. Now, we talked about this before, okay? Remember, this is why I have this breakout right here. Remember, we talked about this? We said, okay, this could be a fake breakout, okay? And we're going to basically wipe out all these dudes right here. And I said, okay, if we wipe out all these dudes right here, I said the next stop will be right here, okay? Now, I mean, basically, the next stop is all the way down here. Okay, so, whew, tough, man. All right, guys. This is tough, man. Tough to look at, bro. Tough to look at, but a guy like me, I love this. But I know for your moon boys, okay, for your moon boys, this is tough to look at. But guys, what I do want you guys to do is before I get out of here, guys, please hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Guys, please enjoy your night. If you are down right now, a couple of things you can do. Okay, you have to, write on paper the pros and cons. All right. If you sell your position, you're gonna write the cons, and if you sell your position, you're gonna write the pros. Okay. And also, you have to be real with yourself. You have to say, okay, how can I do better next time? Okay, you're gonna write this down. Whoever's in the red right now, write it down. Okay, you're gonna write on a piece of paper. How can I do better? What can I do, better next time? Okay, one of the things you should write down is educate yourself. Okay, like I said, I don't care if you go to the library. I don't care. Educate yourself. Talk to you guys later, and please, guys, have a good day. Please have a good day. Please, 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 please have a good day. All right. You said, can I power it? Like what? Yes, you can learn day trading. All my information is below the description. And guys, please have a nice day. Talk to you guys later. Have a good night. We will probably continue this tomorrow. If I'm not doing anything, we definitely continue this tomorrow. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.